This is how it looks like after washing it. We're trying to prepare it in the native way. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, we finished grinding it. This is what it looks like after grinding. We've added water, little water to it to make it a bit more viscous. We are adding water to it to make it more viscous. You don't just add water, plenty water into it immediately. You add it little by little. You can see how, fluffy it is. Okay. You can see how smooth it is. Water is being added to it. Little water. You can see how it is. The texture is changing. We are back to the mortar. You can see the texture of the ground beans. It's now, the purpose of doing this is to make the beans smooth. You can see what it looks like. And to be thick a bit, not to make it watery, but to still retain little thickness while frying. Little water has been added to it, and it's still being turned. To get the right texture. We'll be using to fry the akara. That's the ground beans that is in the mortar. What you see here is the yellow. Okay, we have just scooped out some of the mixture from the mortar into a bowl, and we are adding little of the onions and pepper into it. Now we want to add little salt to taste. That is important. Remember, the only ingredients we are using to make akara is pepper, onions, and salt. Now it will be mixed. We want to mix it. See how we are mixing it. All these things will be fried. While that is being done, this is oil on fire. We have put oil on fire to heat up while we are mixing the akara. Okay, now we want to start frying the akara. See what it looks like. Okay, see how we are putting it. Okay. We allow it to fry. We are allowing one side of the akara to get brown before we turn it over to the next side. Can you see it frying? Now we want to turn it over to the other side. You allow the side to go golden brown. Can you see how it's looking? See how it's looking? Turning it. Okay. You now leave the other side to fry too, till it gets golden brown. Now both ends are golden brown. You can see what it looks like. zooming in on it. Can you see? Okay, now it's done. We want to transfer it into a sieve. What you see here is a paper towel, paper tissue, kitchen paper, to drain the oil when it's being transferred. Can you see? Wow. Okay. This is the finished product, akara. It is best served with akamu, pap, or ogi, as people may call it. This is what you're seeing in this white bowl. You can see how it is. If you taste it, it's lovely. Please like, share, and subscribe. See ya in the next video.